Hi, my name is Philip, and my submission to the Solana Breakout Hackathon is the DeCharge Smart Card Data Marketplace app. What's the problem? 96% of the data generated by connected cars never reaches the people who created it, the drivers and fleet operators. Meanwhile, the OEMs store all their telemetry data in proprietary clouds and then try to resell subscription features back to owners. And insurers, cities, and EV charging networks are desperate for high-resolution real-world driving data to optimize their infrastructure and craft new services. From my point of view, the solution is DeCharge Smart Card Data Marketplace, because it flips the equation by pairing mobile users with a decentralized physical infrastructure network. The app supports as of now different features. For example, you can connect your real BMW and see geolocation data, battery status, and of course also the range of the car and if your windows and everything else is locked. In addition, you have very granularly privacy controls. So you can, on the one hand side, decide what kind of data fields you want to share, but you also can decide which individual data set you want to share in the marketplace. And the market opportunity is really huge because certain research papers saw that the connected car sector already was at 115 billion in 2023 and is on track to 500 billion by 2033. And also it offers a lot of data monetization potential because it could jump from 0.5 billion in 2025 to over 3 billion by 2030. And of course, also more and more people, cars get connected, and so they generate more and more real-time data. So the benefit, of course, for the user is that he gets rewarded in mobi tokens when he decides to share their data. And so for every data set that he shares, he gets rewarded and he can increase over time his share of mobi tokens. And of course, he also can sell every data set in the marketplace and then gets even rewarded maybe in USDC or other currencies. So DeCharge Smart Card Data Marketplace could become, from my point of view, the default clearinghouse for the world's most underutilized data sets. So, and allows user to turn every kilometer they drive on the road into a revenue stream. So let's start to drive, share, and earn. Now I would like to have a quick look on the app that I created. So here you can see a live BMW connected to the app. So you can see where it is. You can see the brand, the model, the mileage, the battery level. Fuel level is not available because it's a battery car. You see the range and of course the vehicle status. If it's secured, the windows are closed and the lids are closed. And also you see the geo coordinates and when it was last updated and fetched the data. In the settings, what I meant before, you see you can add your cars, you can add your make, your model, the year, the VIN, and add the car. And of course, you also can here decide which kind of data fields you want to share. In the wallet section, you see your wallet. You can connect and disconnect, of course, your wallet. You see the amount of tokens, USDC, Solana, and mobi. And of course, you will have the possibility to top up your wallet, and you see also your transaction history. In the marketplace itself, you can see the different drives that you have been shared. You can also filter on the different data sets. So, for example, you could filter on the car make and the model, and if you apply it, you see only the BMW cars. Also the data sets itself, you can see here, you could see, for example, the simulated or the data sets that have been created. You see here the different BMW cars. I think I also created something for the Tesla model. And here, of course, you can see also if you share a data set, I will show it later, it will also get to the marketplace. Here are this is your vehicle dashboard. Here you see your cars that you have created in the settings section. You can, of course, also steer the cars. And here is also the car simulator. So I created a car simulator to simulate different routes. For example, here I want to create a route through the Munich city center. So I start the simulation. You see the status driving, the speed, the range, which decreases. Here you see how the car accelerates. You see the decreasing battery level, and you see also in real time how many mobi tokens you generate. Once here you can, for example, see also the speed curve, which now reached 60 kilometers, which in the city center, it's already quite fast, but okay. And then you can stop your simulation. As soon as the simulation is complete, you can see your details, you can jump to the details, and here you can see, of course, the route that was done. The distance, the consumption, the speed, the average speed, and the duration. And here you can go either back to the data set, or you can also here decide, I want to share this data set. And as soon as you share it, you also will see it in the marketplace, as you can see here. And you can also click on preview, so you see which data is inside the data set, and you can decide to buy. So I want to buy it for 0.03 USDC. I can download the data set or do it later, and if I go on my wallet, I see here also the transaction that has been performed. Thank you for listening.